Help me! Such a beautiful place to be with friends. To be a big piece of friends.